So what is here? Be getting all the product in the list. Okay, list by. I not want, this is not looking good because details is there. After that, some more descriptions are there. Then price, whatever things are there. This rating 4.1. This will not display like this type. Okay, this I have to display like this have to display like this rating, a star mark. Okay, like that type. So, and next thing here, what it we getting the complete description, image, everything on the same page. It not looking good. What we will do? We will create one sample card, a small section, and on that we will just display name, price, rating. That's it. Not even if you not want rating, you can remove. But name, price, that's it. Well, and image, three things. And after that, what will happen? Once we will click on that particular image, means suppose on our project, this become your one image. So if we will click on this section, then the product, the description, this complete description will get open on that page. Got it? Like that we have to do. So as like here, if we will click on the page, then what will happen? So if we are clicking on that particular page link, then what we getting? We getting the complete descriptions regarding that product. So we have to do the same thing. Here we are getting the backpack, then t-shirts, then whatever shirts. So we will get the image and name. But when we will click on that product, means a product, then we have to open this descriptions and those all things. So we have to design that one. Got it? So you have to think regarding the logic with the JavaScript, how we can do, because suppose that, just imagine one thing. I giving you just one hint, what it will be. Suppose that this is Oreo, okay? This Oreo biscuit. When we are clicking that, this is Oreo biscuit. And if we will click on this Oreo, what will happen? In the URL, you will see that something got changed. Got it? Something got changed. In the sense, when we clicked, okay, then some information gone to that page that somebody had called, and which data they had called. They requested for just this data. Got it? Not any other data. So what we have to do? We have to think in that point itself. When we will click on that particular, suppose that this image, okay? So when we clicking on this image, what will happen? This will send this request that I want this data. I want first data. I want second data. I want third data. I want fourth data. Like this type, you have to pass that value from HTML to TypeScript. Let me do one thing. We will do something. Where is that e-commerce? Anyone having issue in the pipe? Because that is most important. Where is app e-commerce? Custom pipe remove. Where is that? Where is that? Are you getting that component? Okay, it's here now. Let's search from the module. So see, if you're not getting that particular component, we can search from the module section. This is my location. Okay. And now we got that. Now tell me, suppose I want to get the data of that particular. Anybody had design in the card, so it will be easy. Hello. Had anybody designed that in the card? Okay, let it to be.
Yes,
I
sir.
got one idea. Okay, fine. Let it to be. I got that idea. Details.
But your screen still not visible.
Oh, sorry, Sweta. I can't do anything in that scene. So see, now I added one button. Okay, that details. Now this button will be got added in all that. Let add the bootstrap class also. Class btn btn dash danger danger. Okay, it's came detail. Now when I clicking on this detail, I want this serial number. Okay, or even the product name. How to do that? Anyone having idea? Tell me. I want in the alert section itself. How we can do? What we can do? Just please try somewhat. I want the product name. Okay, let it to be. How we getting the product name? Is the product name available here? That is product title, correct? Means this giving you the product dot title. Let's do one thing. Which event we can add with the button? Which event? Click event. Let add that click event. After that, get product. Product. Just write product detail. That's it. Not much more. So what we will do? We will create this method on the TypeScript. Let it to be. I will add here. Now I want in the alert. Now see, in the alert, what I will do? I will write now hello. Okay. Now see what will happen. Let it reload the page. See, this is the real scenario. Okay. This all scenario we are getting in the project. When you will work in the real time project, you will get that scenario. So you have to think like this. So what I done, I added one button. In the button, I added one event, that is click event, and click event, whatever method we had called there. So we define that method. Up to here, anyone having issue? Tell me. First, any issue?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No issue. Fine. So let's see. If we will click on the button, what output you are expecting? When we will
Hello.
click on button, we, we will get hello in the alert section. See, anywhere you will get the hello. But now I not want this hello. I want this product name. How I will get? Shivani, tell me. Use the mind, whatever we can do. I will tell one thing. This is JavaScript concept. Okay. like passing argument, receiving the argument, passing the value, receiving the argument, like that. Event, function, like that itself. Use the mind at least. Shivani, what are you thinking? Okay, Vivekanand, I will give 1 minute for all. Let's see. At least correct, not, that's not the issue. At least try. Vivekanand, how to pass the value? I want a title. Roshan, Praful, Sweta,
Sir, pass there in function, pass there this dot.
here. Here
Yeah,
you
sir.
telling on HTML or TS page?
Sir, in HTML, sir, pass there this dot. No, no, sir. Here pass one variable name means argument name.
Okay, what I will pass?
Uh, pass there means it is a dynamically pass. So any
Any? No. See, you are
no,
on
sir,
the
no.
somewhat track. Okay, you are on somewhat track. A screen not visible. I listen
श्वेता
only. Okay, Sweta, not
श्वेता का
info.
नेटवर्क खराब है.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Who is the next? Roshan. Okay, got it. Shivani Kumari. Shivani Sinha. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Samir. Yeah, tell. Okay. Now tell me one thing. Just use the mind. On this page, who is giving the title? How we getting the title? Title of the
Product.
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 Who giving?
Products.
Products? No. Product dot title.
Type.
Correct.
Yes,
We are getting with the help of product dot title. So what I will do, I will pass the product dot title here, because this is your passing the value. Here we are passing the value. Got it? And now save. Come to the TypeScript page. There it is single argumented. Correct? This become the single argument method. So what will happen here? We have to receive something or not? Here also we have to get that. So let's write any variable. It's not that issue, but we will write a title. Okay. We can provide the type also. If you want, you can provide type as any. Okay. Now tell me, we have to write here title, title. Let's see what will happen. Just wait. Let it to be reload. Now see. Now we are clicking on main cotton jacket. What are you getting? Main cotton jacket. Go down. I clicking solid. This one. What we get? Solid gold platelet micro pair. Got it? Means if I will click any one, what we getting? Be getting that particular value. Got that? How we had done. So now, if you got that particular value, so now we can tell that to the database that I want this data. You have to compare that. Title equal to this one. I want that data. Clear? Like this type, we can something. Got this or not? Tell me if you have any doubt, any point then. Not only title, if I want all the details. Okay. See, that day I was explaining something for passing the object, complete object. Now see that. I showing you one thing. Suppose now I just passing title. Tomorrow you want serial number, you want the price, you want description, you want this also, rating also, price also, everything. What we will do? Tell me. Now, for right now, we are passing title. Where is that? Product dot title. I want all the details. Serial number, product description, image, everything. Ratings, price, everything. What we will do? Please speak. Now it's
Sir,
clear.
only sir pass products.
Okay. So you're telling to pass only product. Okay, let's see. So be passing products. And here let it to be because that is single argument. So it's not the issue. Let's see what we getting. So what happened? We got object. How we will get all the details? Means now remove that title and here write product data. Okay. And here also pass that product data. Now tell me, I want all the details like price, serial number, description, everything. How I will receive? Let's do one thing. Here you getting object actually. Go in the console. Maybe you will get some idea. Product data. Let's save. Use the mind, okay? Because now you know everything in the JavaScript. And these all are the game of JavaScript only. Who is giving line number 13? Where is line number 13? Okay. I not want this one. Okay. Let's click the button. What happened? Wait. What we got? We got complete detail of that particular product, correct? See that title. Where is the title? Yeah.
Category title.
Solid this one. Correct. ID is there. Yeah. Title. Okay. Title is here. So if I will click on any list of the product, we will get that. See that ID 5. Here this was ID 6. Now tell me, I want ID, title, price. This three detail. What I will do? Means in the alert, I want that three detail. How I will get? Shivani?
Dot.
Sir, pass the multiple arguments.
Multiple argument. Okay, fine. Tell me. I want a price, I want title, and I want a description. Three things.
Sir, after product takes a title dot or three things, description and category.
Okay, so product.
Common is dot. Sir, can I also take only one time product name? Only one time. And we'll take multiple values. So title
Sir,
dot.
your screen is stuck.
Dot.
Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Yeah. What are you telling,
Hello, sir.
Shivani? So here, what we done? We taken one title
Can I
and we
only take
passing.
only one time product
As your
name?
wish.
and take
You want
multiple times title dot description dot category.
okay, your base. I not telling.
Yeah,
You want only one time product.
yeah. And dot
Okay, fine.
title
Where you telling to write dot title? Here itself.
after product. Yeah, yes.
Okay, dot title,
And dot description
dot.
like this. Okay.
Roshan,
This correct.
where you have to seen like this syntax?
No, no, multiple.
Man, actually, you know the problem. I will tell one thing. What I observing from each member, they're not focusing on the JavaScript. Okay, that demerit I saying that nobody focusing on the JavaScript concept, because in JavaScript already be seeing here this is coming in the object form. See, data is coming in the object form. How we will receive the data from the object? I don't know how you all are using the mind. And second thing, now you writing the code like this type, product, product is the object, then dot title, then description. From where you fetching that data?
Yes, sir.
See, if we don't know JavaScript, that's why we had spent a lot of time. But I don't know what everybody had done. Okay, these are not the concept of Angular. I will tell you one thing. These all are the concept of the JavaScript. But I don't know how you know that how to fetch the data from the array, how to fetch the data from the object. Everything will be in the hand of God. That's it. Not for this point, but remaining point, nobody is speaking because these all are from the JavaScript concept. That's why when you attending interview, they asking Angular only 10%. Remaining all will be from the JavaScript. Questions will be only from the JavaScript. Because if you know JavaScript, you can develop. If you don't know, you can't write anything. That is the thing. This is not correct actually, Roshan. I don't know. I will not go one line if that how to fetch the data from the object and this that. Next, what we will do? How to pass the data? Multiple data. I want a title, description, and amount.
Sir, pass
Amount in
the
the sense
comma,
price.
comma.
Wait one sec. Wait 1 second. Shivani, tell me how to pass. See, this is JavaScript function. I don't know what is going on.
Sir, your skin is not.
What?
सर आपका स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रहा
सर मछली बेच रही है स्क्रीन कहाँ से दिखेगा
सर नहीं
किसी को स्क्रीन ही नहीं देख रहा है, सबका नेट ही खत्म हो गया, सुबह से टिकटॉक पे लगे
नहीं
रहेंगे।
सर
सर
स्क्रीन दिख रहा है
नहीं इतना बात ये पता नहीं क्यों नहीं
1 सेकेंड, किसको मेरा स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रहा है, पहले ये बताइए मुझे।
सर मेरे को दिख रहा है सर।
ओके, रोशन,
दिख रहा है
प्रफुल्ल,
सर, मुझे दिख रहा है सर।
धर्मेंद्र,
यस सर
शिवानी सिन्हा, विवेकानंद,
यस सर।
सबको दिख रहा है। ठीक है, चलिए, हाँ ठीक है, ओके। सो नाउ वी वांट द डेटा मीन्स a title, I want description and I want the price also. Dharmender or Samir, tell. Let's other to be buzz.
यस सर
Others want to be audience.
सर वी वांट टू पास एज ए आर्गुमेंट
Yeah. Title, description, price. 3 things. Or even all. It's not an issue. I want all data.
ओके सर वी पास ओनली व्हाट प्रोडक्ट सर
We going to pass product. Okay. Now come to the TypeScript page. Here we are receiving the product data. After that, what we will do?
here we receiving object sir object of array sir so here
This
we
is
pass
object.
as a product dot title like that whatever data we want to dot we pass sir separating the comma
Yeah. So this become your product, that is your object. Okay, now we can get each data. Like, first we have to check what is the key value, means what is the key of that. So what is that? ID. Then title. So we have to take like that type. Product data dot title, title. Now save. And now see what we getting in the output. What we got here? We got something, this detail. Fine. I want the price also, and I want others thing also. What we will do? Copy that, pass comma, pass another data, take that another value. See, this is array, complete array, but this each one is taking that object data. Use the mind, otherwise I don't know what will happen. मुझे क्या, मैं तो ड्यूटी पूरा करके अपना मैं चला जाऊंगा, कैरियर आपका है। इतना बोलने के बाद भी अगर आप नहीं समझ रहे हैं तो फिर इससे मेरा लॉस कोई नहीं है। Do the same thing in the alert also. What happened? Oh, that is space. What is the issue? What it giving error? Parameter expected, any expected 0 to 1 argument. Okay, okay. Got it. No, no, no. This is a alert actually. So we can't pass multiple data, but yeah, we can do one thing. It will not hold this much data.
Sir, concatenate symbol, sir. What, sir?
Yeah. That I doing actually. I will pass in a string backtick symbol. Where is that? What is the symbol? This one. Yeah. That's fine. Let's see now. So now we have to get 3 data for each product in the console also and in alert also. So first clear the console. How to clear console? With the help of this symbol. Okay. Now click. So let's see how much data we getting. We getting here some product description. Okay. Then we get is product title. Then we getting description, and then we getting the price. Something there. See that. This is the price 695. Okay. This is for your that one. Let's check this one. 51,599. This type we can receive the data whatever I want, the details. Okay. I want the data from the first one, main jacket. See that main jacket. This is your title. This is your price, and these all are the description. Okay, so this type we can receive the data. So what happened? What we done here? In place of passing this much argument, I want, suppose that now I want only 3. Tomorrow I want all the details. What we can do? Already we have the object, product data, and we can receive the each data with the help of the key dot title dot description dot price, whatever key is there. So with the help of that one. But what we had done actually, in place of passing individual data like a title, description, category, rating, count, these all things, what we had done, we had passed a complete object. So it become very simple to receive the data. Otherwise, what we have to do, we have to pass all the data, and the number of list of the data gone increase. It become too much, and it's become too much complicated also to passing the data. So in place of that, whenever there is requirement, we will pass the complete object itself. And when we passed complete object, what we had done, according to our requirement, we had fetched the data. Suppose I want just a title, not an issue. Remove this all data. I want just a title. That's it. Remove these all and just see whether you're getting the title or not. So because we are receiving their complete object itself. Okay. So whatever data you want, you can get. There is no any restriction regarding any product. We will get that. Clear? Anyone having any doubt? Tell me. This thing itself I had discussed before 3 or 4 days when I was, I think for this topic itself. I was discussing that approx half an hour, that in place of passing individual data, we will pass the complete object or array, whatever is there. We will pass the complete data and we will receive as per our requirement. Clear? Or having any doubt? Tell me first. Shivani, clear? Anyone having doubt?
No,
Sir,
sir.
how
Prabhu,
can I get, sir,
Roshan,
image, sir?
what?
It will take, sir, only data description, I think. Or so
Yeah.
how can I get image, sir, with
Image
this?
you can't get, you can get the path. Okay.
I
Same
want, sir,
type.
image on the like the Amazon site.
Yeah, wait. Who is giving the image? Title, where is that image? Yeah, product dot image. Okay, fine. So let's go there, and what we will do? We will do dot product data dot image. Let's save. See that this will become your image path. Correct, Roshan?
Yes, sir, but I want, sir, image.
Which image?
Uh, all images, sir.
Where you want?
When I'm clicking on description,
Yeah,
it's only description, but I want image with description.
yeah. Okay. So you have to design the page, and you have to pass this all data to that page. Got it?
Yes,
See what I doing actually. Had you understand?
yes, sir.
When we are clicking, you go to the Amazon page. When we are clicking any one product,
Yeah,
okay. Suppose we clicked on Oreo. What happened? It will open their page. It opened their description, their page. But how they open? How they got that? You had requested for the Oreo itself, this biscuit itself, and how they had got that? That you had clicked on the Tata tea. Got my point?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Same thing we are doing when we are clicking on the detail, we getting this one. When we are clicking on this link, it getting this one, that they had requested for this product. Got it? And after that, what is happening here? When we clicked on that particular detail, particular card, When we click on this particular card, each one separate, then they getting open one separate page. It's not like that. It opening the separate page, and on this page again they got the image. Means as like here we had passed the image, correct?
Yes,
So
sir.
like that itself, we have to pass the data, whatever data we are getting in the, we are getting on the click. When we are clicking, we are getting the data. So that data we have to pass here. We have to think regarding the logic that how we will pass. Because now we are in the situation that how to pass the data from HTML to TypeScript and TypeScript to HTML. All story gone over. Okay, because if
Okay.
we know how to communicate between the TypeScript to HTML page, HTML to that page, it become clear. Now we can do that. At least you can use the mind that how we can.
Yes,
But
sir. Yes.
most of the thing we can do with the help of the routing. We have to pass the data, then only we will get. But at least whatever we had done now, just at least practice for that thing. Clear? Anyone having any doubt that how to
Yes.
fetch the data of particular section or particular area you can tell? Clear? Okay. If you have anyone have issue, that tell me. We will look over there. Now I can't start this topic because it will take time. ठीक है? और यहाँ पे हम एक एक वेरिएबल बनाते जाएंगे. क्या चीज बनाते हैं? टाइटल. हमारा टाइटल रहेगा. टाइटल है क्या कहीं पर? कहाँ गया? कहीं पे कुछ हुआ गड़बड़. ओके, ऊपर भाग गया. इंपोर्टेड टाइटल्स इक्वल टू किस कौन देगा? प्रोडक्ट डॉट टाइटल देगा. प्रोडक्ट डेटा डॉट TITLE टाइटल सेमीकोलन दे दीजिए. मैं एक ही को लिखता हूँ, बाकी को आप समझ सकते हैं कि कैसे करना है. तब हम यहाँ पे इसे डिक्लेयर कर देते हैं और मैं इसको स्ट्रिंग ले लेता हूँ सेमीकोलन. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे लग जाएगा क्या चीज? दिस डॉट. समझ में आया? अब क्या करेंगे? यहाँ पे अभी हम लोग क्या किए? हमें टाइटल मिल रहा है ना. टाइटल को हम क्या किए? इस वेरिएबल को असाइन करवा दिए. तो इस वेरिएबल को जब हम असाइन किए प्रोडक्ट डॉट टाइटल के रूप में, लेट्स रिकॉर्ड दिस वन. Oh, recording going on. Fine. So here we taken that product dot title, already be getting the data. After that we assigned that in the variable titles. Okay, and after that let's say I want this title where in this section. Let comment this line. Wait, I will comment this complete line. Now who is giving you the title? Which variable? Titles variable. And how we will take the value from TypeScript page to HTML with the help of interpolation. There is no need of ng for. Now see, I will just show you demo. Now see, product detail is there. Nothing is there in the bottom. Click that detail. 1 second. What happened? Get product data dot title equal to title console. Let's see one time. In console, some error it's showing. Oh my god, where is that error? Cannot read property of undefined reading title.
इक्वल टू सर वो डबल कोटेशन नहीं लीजिएगा.
Which one?
टाइटल इक्वल टू डबल कोटेशन इज एमपीटी सर.
Okay, you telling like that. Okay, not an issue. Let it to be. Let's see. We getting error. I think due to that itself. Here it's showing title, and here we had written titles. Okay, fine.
Error showing.
Let's wait. No, it's throwing the error on click of that. Some problem is there. Product data dot title. This dot titles equal to. Let's comment this line first. Let's see what we getting in console. After that we will resolve. Detail. Oh, here itself we are not getting the data. Some issue is there. Wait. What we was getting previously. Product
Sir,
data dot.
using two-way binding, sir.
No. It's previously it was working
Product
actually.
sir ना product data और product sir.
Oh, sorry. He had taken that variable different. My variable was data. Sorry, my variable was product. That's why I getting error. Now it will work. Yeah, uncomment this. And this also empty. It's not required. But if you want, you can put that. Now see what we got here. We got a solid gold platelet something. Okay. We got a solid gold platelet. We got a white gold platelet. Now what we were doing actually, we were checking in the bottom white gold platelet. What we got? MBJ, Bowman, solid short sleeves. What we got? Getting how we have to do. Not only this data, so we have to create different variable. So suppose I want an image. Okay, so make all the variables here. Just wait. Make all the variables. Let me remove that data dot category. Okay, category equal to PRODU product data dot CAT category. If we are not sure, we can go with the any. Next description. Go with description. Description equal to product data dot description semicolon. That's it. I will remove these all. Okay, so I want this three data to be displayed on the UI. So come to that code our side. Same type we will take that image also. You want in the tabular form. Okay, let's say take in the tabular side. So yesterday we had designed that table, no? Where in the pipe I think. But this is, yeah, something different we had designed. Gender, I think, component name. Yeah, gender pipe. Description, title, category. This ng for not required because we getting each data separate. Correct? That's why. If that will be looping of the data, then only we want that much data. We want individual data. So where is that? Titles. We will take directly that variable. Titles. After that, take category. Are you getting why I putting in the interpolation directly? Why not with ng for? Now see whether we getting the data or not. So here we got the table, title, description, and detail. Now see, we got title, here we got description, it got alter bit. Title, description, category. Yeah. See that title, description, and category. We got the detail. Now click anything. Title is Samsung, description is 49-inch, and category is electronics. Clear? This type, when you will click any data, you will got that product detail in the bottom as you will design. Clear? Or having any issue? Tell me. So what we will do, we can get the image also. So what we will do for getting image, just we will take this one. Tell me how we will get image. How we will get image. So Praful, Roshan.
Sir, same thing. Pass there create one variable.
Okay,
And
1 second. Let me add here one th image, and this image I will add after second itself. So I will take this after second itself. Okay. Okay. So you told one variable. Fine. Where is image? Data dot image be taken. Fine. So let's make one variable. This dot imgsrc equal to product data dot image. Fine. And declare this one. Fine. Next, we will take this and we will go to here. Where is that? Image src. Pass here. Let's see whether we getting or not. So we got the image. Clear now? Or having any doubt?
So now it's clear, sir.
Now see, this is your solid gold platelet. We got that detail. Fine. But one thing, now I telling you the demerit. What is the demerit here? Now there is no data. Then why this table is showing? Clear? There is no data. So it not have to display. It have to hide. Even the product detail, this also to be hide. Means this complete block itself. Let's see one time. Where is that complete block? This is the complete block. Now this is your turn. How we will hide this one? I not want to display when there is no data. Tell me how we will hide this block and show the block when data will come. Because when the data is not there, if you will display like this type to any user on your real website, it's not looking good. Correct or not? Because there is no data. Now data is there, that time it have to display. When data is not there, then why you will display that section? So we have to hide that. What we will do? We will use ng if condition. How we have to use ng if? How we are writing ng if? N div div ngif ngif. Wait. ngif ngif and else. Okay. So see. So what is happening here? Ng container ngif else. So see, we have to verify with the help of this condition, if expression and then else part. So this all things we have to pass inside the ng dash template. Okay, remove this div, it's no need anyway. Now I want this completely inside ng dash template. Ng dash template and paste that data. Now you have to think regarding the logic. What are you thinking? Now we will get the data or not? Now see, you will not get the data. Means that more detailed section is now not available. Now tell me, how we will get that? Any idea? Who all is available? Okay. Dharmender, Samir. Now we not getting the data. Means we had hidden the data. How to display that data conditionally? Okay, one question. When this ng template data will display, when this data will display, means not
When
the
if
data,
condition will be
Click,
false.
that block
click, sir.
on click. No, means not on click. When the condition become true, that time only this data ng template become visible. Correct or not? Because on false condition, this ng template going to hide the data. So we have to make that true anyway. So how we will do? Any idea what we have to do?
Yes, sir. Ngf equals to expression 2. So, right there.
Ng if expression true.
Yes.
Okay.
Ng if expression false, Then else block, else template here. Here we pass the details. ID number, ID, sir.
Okay, tell me where I have to write that code.
Line number 43 uncomment, sir.
Line number 43. Okay. Sorry.
Totally.
This is the logical part.
Yeah.
Okay. If you will
Yes, sir.
use the
Here
mind,
we
then only you will develop.
here in NG if condition we make false.
Okay.
Expression
So
we
this
make
condition
false.
you telling we have to make false.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Okay.
And here
Yeah,
else
sir.
template we
False.
pass details.
Okay. Fine. So let's do that. Here you telling else template, we will pass the details. Fine. In expression, we have to write something. Do one thing, remove this anyway, because we have that bottom one. And here we have to. So we can write that true expression, or what you want, or you
False,
want
sir.
expression.
False, sir.
You telling to make this false. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here itself, or by with the help of the TS.
Okay, right also false. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see what happened. It not have to display. It have to display only when we are clicking that. Correct. What जी धर्मेंद्र.
सर बटन क्लिक पे डाले हैं इसलिए ना वो ऐसे हो रहा है क्योंकि ये टीएस से डाटा आ रहा है ना
Yes.
तो फंक्शन को ऑटोमेटिकली कॉल कर दीजिए कंस्ट्रक्टर में हो जाएगा सर बटन क्लिक को वहाँ पे जो
Okay.
फंक्शन है उसका नेम चेंज करके अगर हम वो कंस्ट्रक्टर में तो कॉल पे हो जाएगा
Means you telling me to call this method inside the constructor.
या सर यू कैन सर
This means method call. Correct.
या सर
This type.
हियर नो पास एनी
Argument.
सर इट्स रॉन्ग
Yeah. That is the thing. What about others? See, Roshan, you're telling to develop logic. Now the time is there. Already we had studied. But
Yes,
if you
sir.
will silent, then how logic will develop? Because there is nothing, no any topic is new.
Yes.
देखिए, अगर हम कुछ भी गलत सही नहीं सोचेंगे, हमें कोई नहीं हेल्प कर सकता है। रियलिटी में बताता हूँ। लॉजिक कोई ऐसा नहीं है भाई कि रॉकेट की कोई नासा वाला छोड़ेगा तभी वो जाएगा, ऐसा नहीं है। कुछ दिमाग लगाएंगे, गलत जाएगा, सही जाएगा, उससे ही निकलता है लॉजिक। जैसे हम मेहनत करते हैं तभी हम सीखते हैं, वही चीज है। जब हम कुछ करेंगे गलत ही सही, कुछ भी दिमाग लगाएंगे तभी होगा।
सर एक काम कर सकते हैं सर बटन के नीचे
हाँ,
पास सर एनजी कंटेनर बिलो द
बटन के नीचे यहाँ पर
नहीं सर आफ्टर बटन लाइन नंबर 38 यहाँ से यहाँ पे एनजी कंटेनर पास कीजिए सर
ये कंडीशन वाला क्या?
नहीं सर एनजी कंटेनर बस इसे पास कीजिए
ठीक है,
ये काम कर देना या सर इनसाइड सर पास कीजिए इंटरपोलेशन
इंटरपोलेशन।
या सर यहाँ पे जो गेट क्लिक इवेंट पे जो मेथड कॉल हो रहा है उसको पास कीजिए सर
ओके,
या सर डाटा ऑल्सो सर
फाइन। नेक्स्ट,
सेव कीजिए ना
ये क्या कि ये करेगा क्या एक्चुअली?
मार्क सर
ये करेगा क्या? ये एक्चुअली ये डेटा क्या कर रहा है?
डाटा
ये
पास कर रहे हैं
हाँ, that's okay. But when we are clicking that button, that time on each button click, whatever data is there, details, this, that, whatever data is there, it displaying that particular detail. Now what happened? We got this detail. See that this is last data. Why not we got any other data? And why we got
बिकॉज
only
इट्स
last data?
ओवरराइड सर
Because it got overridden by the last data due to the loop. Correct? But it's not correct.
यस सर
Got it? Because
ओके सर
when we had not clicked, why we getting the data?
सर तो बटन ने क्लिप पास करना था ना सर
हमें क्या
ओ
पता, तुम बता
ऑटो
रहे
कॉल
हो
में
वैसे
पास
कर।
करना था सर
ऑटो कॉल
सर
इन द
तो
सेंस,
करना
सर
क्या
यहाँ
था
सर यहाँ पे डिस्प्ले ना लगेगा क्या सर?
वाह वाह वाह,
सर
सीएसएस पूरा
करना
लगा
क्या
दिए।
था सर करना
नहीं
क्या
सर
था
आईटी
नहीं भाई, डिस्प्ले नहीं रहेगा।
मेरे को
करना
पूरा
ये
ही
है,
लगा।
मैं बताता हूँ, अभी आने दीजिए यूआई को। यहाँ क्या आ गया? प्रोडक्ट डिटेल आया, टाइटल
जी
आया,
सर
इमेज आया। ये नहीं आना चाहिए क्योंकि हमने अभी बटन क्लिक किया ही नहीं है। पर जैसे ही बटन क्लिक किए तब ये सेक्शन ओपन होना चाहिए।
वो
बात समझ में
प्रोडक्ट
आया?
डिटेल टाइटल ये कुछ भी नहीं लिखना चाहिए सर
प्रोडक्ट डिटेल चलिए, रहना है तो रहने दीजिए, बट ये
अच्छा
टेबल तो नहीं बन के आएगा ना, क्योंकि डेटा इसमें है ही नहीं, तो क्यों बन के आएगा?
अच्छा ऐसे
हाँ,
एक कोड से मिल जाएगी
समीर समझ में आ
कोड
रहा है? हाँ, कोड।
मेरे को ये समझ में नहीं आता हम दूसरा समझ लिए थे
हाँ, समीर समझ में आ रहा है? हो गया। देखिए मैं एक चीज बताता हूँ,
सर
सोचिए।
इंटरपोलेशन के माध्यम से होगा सर वो फॉल्स रहेगा और जो टेबल है वो हमारा ये इफ कंडीशन में रहेगा सर जो मेरा टेबल है
मतलब ये कहना है आपको
इसको
कि ये इफ कंडीशन में।
कंडीशन
ओह सॉरी।
इफ कंडीशन में डाली है ओके 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 सर
1 सेकंड।
सर अब क्या करेंगे सर इंटरपोलेशन के माध्यम से हम जो ट्रू फॉल्स कर रहे हैं वो इंटरपोलेशन के माध्यम से लेंगे बटन क्लिक पे
हाँ, ये आपका एनजी कंटेनर को मैंने डाल दिया इफ कंडीशन में। हाँ, अब बोलिए
एनजी कंटेनर को
क्या बोले?
अच्छा ठीक है सर एनजी कंटेनर को इफ कंडीशन में डाल दिए सर
हाँ, आप ही ने बोले भाई।
ओके 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 सर सर जो ये फॉल्स आ रहा है इसको हम
हाँ,
लेंगे सर टीएस के माध्यम से ऑन बटन क्लिक पे
ओके, ठीक है।
ये ट्रू हो
ये रहा।
जाएगा सर
हाँ, ये बटन क्लिक रहा।
सर
क्या
इसके
पास करना है?
फंक्शन में सर यहाँ कुछ नहीं पास करना है सर वहाँ
ओके।
पे हम लेंगे सर यहाँ पे
हाँ,
एक वेरिएबल बनाएंगे वहाँ और वो वेरिएबल को हम पास कर देंगे एक वेरिएबल बनाएंगे जिसका बुलियन वैल्यू फॉल्स होगा सर
ठीक है। FLAG फ्लैग, ठीक है। इस डॉट फ्लैग
इक्वल टू
इक्वल टू
ट्रू ट्रू
हट रहा है भाई, ट्रू। ये रेड दे रहा है, इस पे कर्सर रखिए और डिक्लेयर कर दीजिए,
या
दिस डॉट
फॉल्स
हो जाएगा। हाँ,
सर
और
फॉल्स
यहाँ पे आपको कहना है कि फॉल्स कर देने के लिए। ठीक है। और कुछ यहाँ पर?
नहीं सर एक बार ट्राई नाम ही है
बट हुआ क्या? कुछ तो नहीं हुआ। हुआ है क्या कुछ? कहाँ? डेटा ही नहीं आ रहा। अल्लाह, वो वेरिएबल जो हम लोग
डाटा
बनाए
नहीं
उस,
आ रहा सर
वो वेरिएबल जो बनाए इसका यूज कहाँ किए?
सर वो पास कीजिए सर वो उसमें हाँ सर यहाँ पे इंटरपोलेशन के माध्यम से नहीं सर ये डायरेक्ट पास हो
इंटरपोलेशन
जाएगा नहीं
डायरेक्ट हो।
डायरेक्ट पास हो जाएगा आप वर्क करेगा सर हाँ आप वर्क कर रहे हैं वो क्वेश्चन ही समझ में नहीं आया था पहले
अभी आया? इसको हम एक और तरीका से कर सकते हैं, मैं बताऊं। यहाँ फ्लैग लिए ना, ये ना लेके हम लेंथ को चेक कर लेंगे कि डेटा कुछ आ रहा है या नहीं। बात समझे? उस टाइप से भी हम
हाँ
कर
वो भी
सकते
हो
हैं,
सकता है।
ठीक है। और वही चीज हम लोग क्या किए, यहाँ पे एक फ्लैग दे दिए, जो बटन जब क्लिक हो रहा है तो क्या कर रहा है, यहाँ पे मैंने एक वेरिएबल बना दिया जिसको हमने ट्रू कर दिया। ओके, we taken the variable and we make that as a true or false. So by default that become the false, and here we had make that a true. So each time when we clicking the button, it going to be true or false, and according to that the condition become satisfied, then we getting the data. Got it? This is the thing. Second thing we can do like but we are getting, remove that else, it's not, we are not requiring. And here see, we are taking the flag. What about the data? We are getting data that is title, description, those all things. So when we are clicking, we are getting product data. Okay, is this outside? No. Title, yeah. So we can we can verify anything, whether product title, image, these all, anything. So let's verify, let's see that also whether it's working or not. So what we will do, title, next dot length, title dot length, let it to be, just we can tell title not equal to empty. Why we got error?
2 time equal to sir.
Just one second. Let's see
2 time equal to sir.
whether it working or it giving error. Yeah, it giving error. So we got the data because we checking whether title is empty or not, like that. So if that is not empty, not equal to empty, we are getting the data. But if suppose that will be empty, why it giving this issue?
सर एरर नहीं है वो,
Let's see.
वो एरर नहीं है।
No, that's a error actually. On UI that is not coming. See that error. It
हाँ
not
सर
a
मेरे को
error.
लगा
सर
मेरे को लगा कलर
जैसे
वलर
कि वो स्ट्रिंग वाला टाइप और वैल्यू चेक करता है ना, टाइटल ये डबल कोटेशन में नहीं है इसके यार।
नहीं, टाइटल हमें वैल्यू आ रहा है ना, और स्ट्रिंग नहीं है ना, इसलिए। टाइटल to in not equal to, it's working fine.
इक्वल टू इज नॉट वर्किंग सर, डबल इक्वल टू।
In that case we are getting error. See. So now it's going to display that. But suppose that you want something detail, product detail here in the bottom, no product selected, something message, then how we will display? We have to display with the help of ng if condition, sorry, ng template. Ng dash template. Okay, and when there is no product selected, so here we will display Let's see. No product selected, and here we will pass else part. Semicolon else. Wait, I will copy this line. What is the issue? Oh, that double quote. Just 1 second. Let it to be double quote. I will pass here single quote. Okay. Let that will start. Okay, expression in the sense here. Oh, got it. Why it was giving issue due to this one. Where it gone? No product selected, ng template, ng container. This one. No product selected. Let's see whether it's giving or not. So length hai, not equal to empty. Okay, no product selected, else we will pass here else template. Let's see whether it's be getting something or not. We not got that one. Okay, means remove this. Product equal to empty. This condition become true because no data is selected. So now we got no product selected. Correct? Now select that product. What we got? We got the product detail. Clear? Means if you want to display some message, so like that type you can display that. Now no product is selected because we are not selecting any product. Okay, if you want to write this proper, what is the class of the bootstrap? BADGES badges, BADGES dash BADGES dash DANGER. Why it's not working? What is that? BG dash DANGER danger. Let's see whether it's working or not. Yeah, BG dash danger. And second, how to make text alignment center in the bootstrap?
Text center, sir.
Text center class name.
Yes, sir.
TEXT dash CENTER. Let's see. Yeah, so now we got no product selected. Okay, but as you will display when we selecting this warning message, it got hide and the data will display there. Now see product detail. There is no any that message, previous message. Clear? So like this way we have to think regarding the logic, that how we have to design that. So what we done inside the ng if condition, we are satisfying that condition here that titles equal to empty. Then we are selecting that one. Means we are displaying the message no product selected. Then when the condition become true, we are giving that value. Anyone having issue? Tell me. Praful, Roshan, Shivani, Vivekanand. Clear?
Clear, sir.
This was the logic